His body, baby, oh. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh.
So I'm just going to go right into my face, and I'll be using my Pond's primer to prime my face. I'm just going to do my eyes later on.
One murder, I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you're one murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make.
Then for foundation, I'll be using my ZK Pro Matte. I'll be using my ZK Pro Matte in Sexy Almond.
I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me. You want murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty girl. You're a naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder.
So after blending all of that into my skin, I'll go into my ZK concealer in Honey, and I'm just going to highlight my face. Guys, I really didn't want to do a voiceover because my voice is really bad. I have a cold, but I don't have a choice. I just have to do this. I hope you guys just permit my voice, okay? I'm not really well, but I have to do this for you guys. So I'm just highlighting my face right now. Then I'm going to go into my beauty blender and just blend, okay?
So guys, the foundation that I used and the concealer that I used are very drying. They are both ZK products, and you guys, ZK products are so dry. They get dry very easily. So I'm just going to go ahead into my MAC Prep and Prime.
Baby, you know it's okay. Nada. You're a pretty fine girl and I'm a pretty fine westerner. Nada. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. What's up for me, pay Chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her. Oh Lord of His mercy. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh.
So after blending all of that, I'll go back into my Sasha Buttercup setting powder to just set my face. You guys already know this drill, okay? So I'm not just going to sweat on it.
She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you want, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh, Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh, Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh, Lord, have His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me. You want murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty girl. You're a naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me. You want murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me. She dey murder me. This body, baby, oh, Vicky's bad man, I see. Bulaka. His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh na 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 na. Oh na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh na na.
So now that I'm done with my face, I'm just going to go ahead and move on to my eyes, because this is like the part I'm supposed to explain to you guys, okay? So I'm going into my Ezekiel concealer in honey, and I'm just going to prime my eyes. You know, you always need to prime your eyes before doing any eyeshadow. So after doing that, I'm going to blend that in with my eyeshadow blending brush. Okay, I'm just going to pat that all over my eye, moving that towards my brow bone area, you know, to just make that part really light and beautiful. Then after that, I'll go into my Ezekiel powder in natural, and I'm just going to set all of that I have there. Okay,
baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me, how they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long.
so after setting all of my eye, I'm going into my Ezekiel palette again, and I'm using this very dark brown color to just contour my eyes using my very precise eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to pack that onto the contour area of my eyes, and I'm going to move that really lightly towards my crease area. Guys, I was actually going in for the normal natural look, but you guys are going to see as we go ahead.
So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, have His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder.
So all that looks blended in. I'm going into my ZKL eyeshadow base. This is how it looks. It really looks really white, and I'm going to take a little bit of that, and I'm just going to, you know, go ahead start cutting my crease, as I didn't really want a crease, but you know, I just went ahead to cut the crease. Okay, we're just going to see what we're going to achieve at the end.
Show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl.
So after cutting my crease, I'm going to go into this Pro Color Studio eyeshadow palette, and I'll use this very white shade to just, you know, pat that into my crease area. I'm just going to put that all over my crease.
Come and video this. I'm feeling all this, you already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, You a murder me,
Then after doing that, I'll go back into my ZKL palette, and I'll use this light color called Neutral, and I'm just going to use that as my transition. So what I'm doing is I'm transitioning my whole eye, including the area where I have my white color, the area where I have my crease. I'm just going to like make a transition there, you know, to look like I'm moving from orange to white. Then I'll go back into my brown color again, and I'm just going to blend all of that in. So I kind of feel like I took away all my white eyeshadow, so I went back into that color to put it back there. Then after that, I'm going into my NYX liquid lipstick in this color. I don't know what the color is called. I'm just going to leave it down in the description box below. Okay, you guys can name the color if you want to. I don't know what to call any lame color right here. So guys, I was really watery while doing this. In fact, I cried. Okay, this was not really easy, so I'm just lining my waterline right now. So an advice I'll give to you, if you want to do this, let your lipstick get dry or let it get tacky a little bit before you go ahead to do this. Okay, don't make the same mistake I did, because I literally cried. I just lost the clip. I was going to show you guys, but my eyes were really teary. Okay, so after that, I'll go into my eyeliner, and I'm just going to line my eyes. Again, I had a problem here, guys. I don't know what was going on in this look, but with this look, but everything was just going wrong, but I fixed it at the end. Okay, so I went ahead to just line my eyes. I gave myself a wing liner. So at my inner tear duct, I have my liner moving into my eyeshadow. I really hope you guys are seeing this, or you guys will see this. So that was the problem that I had. My eyeliner was moving into my eyeshadow and was just making everything dark.
Ginger me. They want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka, come and video. Bad thing, all of bad man. She want a bad man to come and video. You a murder me, You a murder me, You a murder me. You a murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my.
So I was getting really teary. I know you guys can see the line in my eyeshadow, so I had to just fix that. I went back into my eyeshadow base and to just cover that dark part that I had up there, and then go into my white eyeshadow again to just put that again, as you guys see me doing. So I just had to fix it. There was no way I couldn't like leave that there. So even though I covered it all up, but I could still feel like, girl, there's something there. So I just had to, you know, change my look. Okay, I didn't really like stick to this look again, so I went into my glitter, my silver glitter, just this random silver glitter. So I used my Kiss Beauty silver eyeliner and just placed that at the beginning of my eye, at the inner tear duct of my eye, and then just try to create a line up on my crease. Then I went into my glitter to just put that there. Okay, so what I did was I was just trying to cover up the mistake that I had there. Okay, because I was working with a white eyeshadow, so there was no way I could like literally fix this, and there was no way I was going to wipe my eyes at this moment. Okay, because right now I was already fed up, so I just went ahead to just cover up that with my glitter. Okay.
Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me. She dey murder me. This body, baby, oh, Vicky, bad man, I see. Bulaka.
So guys, I think I covered up my mistake. Okay, so this is a trick. You can actually cover up your eyeshadow mistakes if you've done any. Okay, so you don't need to get scared when you have a mistake, especially when you're working with white eyeshadow, because that really looks like a new eye look. Like I just created an eye look. I don't know, but yeah, I just corrected it. I'm so proud of myself. So I went into my brown Morphe lipstick to line my lips. Then I'll go back into my pink Kylie lipstick to just put that all over my lips, and then I'll go into my Iman gloss. And then after, I'll go into my Ezekiel concealer and honey to just make that look really warm, because I thought that pink was too much for this look, like white eyes, pink lips. I wasn't really feeling it, so I wanted it to look like really warm. So I went into my my Ezekiel concealer in honey to just place that onto my lips, and then I'm just going to blend everything together. Then to spray my face, I'll use my classic makeup spray, and that's it for this video, guys. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, if you love this look, let me know in the comment section too. Subscribe, click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I do an upload. I'm so sorry about my voice. Okay, I guess it's going to be better off in the next video. See you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
How they want to ginger me today, make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then, and we getting high all night long. Bulaka, she love the bad boy when she's feeling high rate. Baka chukum baka guinea, oh so for me pay a chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way.